Now, if you are a person looking for a wireless earphone like this that just satisfy your audio quality needs and have a good battery life, keep on watching as I will tell you what this is capable of.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Mohamed Fofana back again with another video, and today in this video we're gonna be taking a look at this wireless earpiece right here. This is the KL03 Sport wireless earpiece. First of all, let's look at the design of it. Now, taking a look at this earpiece, you can tell it is made to be rested at the neck of the user. Now, at the right hand side of the earpiece, we have the button. Here you have the power button. Now, the microphone of this wireless earphone is located at the right hand side of this wireless earphones. Now, as obviously I'll be using the microphone of this wireless earphones right now in this video to prove how clean and crisp the microphone is. Now, taking a look at the charging hours of this wireless earphones, the wireless earphones last for 1.5 hours charging, but with full charge these wireless earphones can last you up to 1 day and a half, as I've been using it for the past 2 weeks now. Yeah. Now, the audio quality of these wireless earphones. I know, right? It's fire. That's like half a volume. I even increased the volume to the max. That shows how loud this earpiece is. So now, taking a look at the downside of the earpiece. The downside is, like, unlike this new earpiece coming now in this generation, the new generation earpiece coming out, it doesn't have noise cancelling mode, and also it's not comfortable when it comes to the earpiece themselves, because over time when you are using it you can be feeling pains in your ears, because that's how uncomfortable the earpiece is. Like, unlike the new earpiece that come with like these padding things to prevent those pains from happening, this earpiece doesn't come with it. But when it comes to satisfying your audio quality needs, it is up to the tax. So yeah, that's it for this video for this earpiece. If you have any more questions, leave the comment down below. And yo, so while I was editing this video, I realized I didn't mention the price of this KL03 wireless earphones. Like, when it comes to Gambian currency, you can get this for like $300 or $400, but with good negotiation you can reduce the price to at least $300, because I got mine for like $300 now. So now, for international people watching this right now, I don't know how much it's gonna be priced on Amazon, but I think it's not gonna be expensive, so it can be affordable. So for people looking for wireless earphones on the go, this KL03 is the best option for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, drop a like. If you want to see more of my tech reviews, subscribe button is down below. Click it, smash it, whatever you can do, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.